In this video, we'll show you how to customize your store website and menu easily, so everything looks exactly the way you want. Let's start from the dashboard. Navigate to the website builder or homepage section. This is where you control the look and feel of your food website, the homepage layout. Here, you can update banners, promotional sections, and featured items to highlight offers, seasonal specials, etc. Easily change background images, headings, button labels, and colors, all with live previews to see changes instantly. Save your changes and review them on the customer's website. Next, move to the menu page section. Here, you can customize the display of menu items, choosing between grid view and list view. Additionally, you have the option to update general settings. Once you're satisfied with your changes, simply save and publish. Your updated website and menu will go live immediately for customers to see. This customization makes it easier for customers to browse your menu and find exactly what they're looking for. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials to get the most out of your dashboard.